Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out a newly listed 4-bedroom pool home for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright guys, we're out here at 3220 Douglas Drive. This was just listed a couple days ago for $685. So you do have unpaved side RV boat type parking. You see the water boxes there, that represents the property line. So the driveway is a little bit steep, but it's definitely doable. This is used as a vacation rental. I don't know if they're doing it professionally or what, but it's vacant today. Let's go on in and check it out. So you have a little bit of a lake view from the front yard. Little front covered courtyard. All right, let's go on and check it out. Alright guys, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath pool home. Again, it was just listed 2 days ago, $685, 2,114 square feet. It does sit on a pretty big lot, almost 14,000 square feet. Built in 1999. So again, this is being used as a vacation rental. Looks like they've done a lot of upgrades to it. You have your vaulted ceilings, split bedroom floor plan, quartz tops in the kitchen, nice glass tile backsplash, stainless appliances, reverse osmosis at your sink. You have a little dining nook at the front of the house. Little eat at kitchen bar there with the quartz tops again. Access to the garage. Walk-in pantry. Alright, let's go check out the master. So down the hallway you have a double door slider closet, and then you run into a double door master. Looks like they got vinyl plank tile floors in here, vaulted ceilings, ceiling fan. There's integrated speakers throughout the house as well. Big double glass slider into a big walk-in closet. And your master bath. Looks like they redid all this as well. Quartz counters, dual sinks, and dual mirrors. Bathroom has its own door. Nice little shot of the pool from the bathroom window. A tiled walk-in shower. Have a indoor laundry area with a utility sink. Little shelving and storage. All right, let's go look at the other side of the house. The hallway splits off. I'm just going to hit this one first. This is your first guest bedroom. The ceiling fan and light. This is at the front of the house. So across the hall you have a little closet and the second guest bedroom. So across the hall you have a little double glass door linen closet and guest bedroom number 2, the rear of the house. Same setup with the double glass slider to the closet. This bedroom is in fact a no wake zone, so probably where you want to put the kids. Also has a pool view out the window. Real nice pool. So with those 2 rooms out of the way, we're going to head back down the hallway. And the next room we run into is a bathroom. Dual sinks with the quartz tops. You have your tub shower combo. So at the end of the hall, you will have the 4th guest bedroom, or the 3rd guest bedroom, 4th total bedroom. Set up with bunk beds. They have the luxury vinyl plank tile in here as well. All right, let's go scope out the garage and the pool area. So you have your standard 2-car garage. 7-foot door, 25 feet deep. Has a little kick-out bay, but I'm going to take the measurements as is. Alright, so you have a nice little backyard pool area, covered patio. There's a little stucco patch right there. They did the stamped concrete decking. Mini pebble finish on the pool, which is recent, I understand. A lot of the stuff, the upgrades, the pool is all done within the last 3 to 5 years. You have a little lake view off the back corner of the island in Thompson Bay. And down below here it looks like a vacant lot that they have turned into the Nazca lines. So that's cool. Nicely landscaped. So this is deep side is, or the deep part is in the middle and the ends are shallow. And it has a little bit of a beach entry there on the other side. Here's a little sided gate access. You have a little patio over here. It's got some plumb outs for something, maybe a future bar. Looks like water drain. Little barbecue area, fire pit. Here's your gated side yard that has the boat and RV side parking. It covered the pool equipment, which is a good idea. Alright guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Douglas. Again, this one was just listed 2 days ago for $685. I'll put the direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.